wanted these shoes for a while. These are from Sanders, UK. And the reason why I wanted them is because they are blue suede. And as per usual, I wait long enough and there's a discount. The blue box. Pull it. Oh, clearly see, that's the shoe number. That's the color. Great Britain. The size and the fitting. So let me open this. There are the shoe bags that I bought as well. And here they are. Check that out. Absolutely pure class. Wow. Navy. And leather sole here. So definitely wanted to check these out. They just look beautiful online. I will say this, online, they look to be like a lighter blue, the photography of it. But in real life, it's actually a rich dark blue. So just keep that in mind. If you look at their website and you see it online, you're going to see these shoes. But the thing is, they're going to look really light blue. So just keep that in mind. That's not necessarily an accurate representation of how they look in person. So just want to give you guys that. And then show you guys the next one here. And that one's blue. So let's go try them on. Stick my foot in it. Here. Put it in the back. Press down. And first one's on. Same thing on the side. These push straight down, and I have my blue suede penny loafers. So thank you guys very much. I'm going to leave the Sanderson Chukka boot as the follow-on video to this one. I'll also leave my Instagram down in the description. I'm on there a lot more than I am on here. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.